For the hottest and coolest products out there, look no further than Cool Tools. Traveling is always a fun idea. We all deserve a vacation sometimes. But packing and unpacking your suitcase can be such a drag, trying to organize and fit everything you may need for your next trip. We have the solution for you, and it's called Stow N Go Hanging Travel Shelves. It's a foldable, hangable suitcase organizer that fits into any 20-inch or larger suitcases or carry-ons. It's a huge travel space saver and makes unpacking super easy because you don't have to. All you need to do is lift it out of your bag, use the handles, and hang it up in your closet. Plus, it keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. There's also a zippered laundry compartment so you don't have to worry about mixing your laundry. Also makes for a great closet organizer when you're not traveling, which is an awesome perk. For more information on Stow N Go, visit HouseSmartsTV.com.